Hi everyone. We are going to draw a soccer player today, and I'm sorry I lost the original picture, and I tried to find it, Google it, the picture online, and I Google like female soccer, then it's like 1,000 picture comes out, so I couldn't find it. But yeah, I'm just, so we are learning like the steps how to sketch. So I have lots of steps. So, that's what we're going to talk about, the steps, how to sketch. And um, I'm not using the picture today because you guys, for like a month, you didn't do it, the sketch. So I'm going to just start with this, then later on I'm just going to give you guys the pictures. So like the first draft is just like very sketchy, loosely, and put this two person on the page, like like um pay attention because there's two people, right? So you got to pay attention the distance, like that too. Like this, is it this lower or taller than her? Then the distance right here and her leg, the relationship between these two legs, and so that's important for the first draft. Just kind of get the mapped out the proportion. Then after that, um, I start doing this person first because I already have like a proportion of her, as you guys say before. So then I start for her from her like face. I finished her face, then I change a little bit. That's the original line, you can see, right? So when I doing the detail, I wasn't like literally tracing the sketching line. Look more detail, more like try to make correct more, and make the everything is on the right place. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing for the second person. So after the second person, so I'm started to the after first person, I start the second person. The second person, normally I like to start with the head, like from the head and shoulder, arm, and from, let's say, from top to bottom. And this one, the second person, I didn't do that because her leg is literally like connect to her leg, right? So if I draw the head, I felt like I don't know where to put exactly correct the distance, the height. I don't know really exactly was that right, because if this wrong, the 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 um the leg will be wrong. It'll be somewhere else, right? So actually, I felt her leg, is the most easy thing to find the right spot because this leg is literally like connect to this leg, so I can see exactly what relationship between this leg and this leg. So that's why I start with this leg from the bottom up. So I always hitting that. So I finished this leg, then I'm drawing that leg. And yeah, so see, I move the head a little bit, and yeah, just get a little bit detail on that. Yeah, then that's her face. Then I do the top and pay attention to her shoulder and the face, the relationship between those two. This one is a little harder because they have face and I have hand, so I don't think you guys mastered the face and hand yet. We're going to, after, when the school year start, we're going to concentrate on the face. So right now I just want you to get the body correct. Yeah, that's, I define more, correct more. See, step by step, it's more detail. Now it's start have hand now. Yep, I erased that part. Maybe that was wrong, the arm. So I'm going to put it in the right spot. Now I'm add that arm on. See, as a perspective, so it's kind of short, right? The arm and this hand too. Very sketchy in the beginning. You can see it. Get the paper very dirty. And my hand was smudging it. Then it get detail on the hand. Then that's the end. Okay, hope you guys have fun with it. Some core shadow for, you know, the 3-dimension. A little bit shadow. Put the shadow on the right spot. If you don't know how to put shadow, don't put a shadow.